Hello, my name's Ingrid. I'm a credentialed diabetes educator, and today we're going to demonstrate how to do a Trulicity pen injection. So the first thing you need to do is to take your Trulicity pen, which will be in a box of 4. They'll be in the fridge, so you need to take one of the pens out. It's best to leave the pen out for approximately 20 minutes, and that way it'll warm up to room temperature and it shouldn't sting when you go to do the injection. Second step is to wash and dry your hands thoroughly and make sure that they're nice and clean and dry. Next thing you're going to do is to check the pen expiry date. It should be in this section here, and make sure that the pen is in date and not expired. Next step is you're going to take the pen cap off. So it's the grey cap on the end of the pen. So you just pull it off. The next step that you're going to do is you're going to place the pen against your tummy. I'm just going to use this box as a demonstration. So you place it directly against the tummy, not at a 45-degree angle or anything else, and there's no need to pinch the skin. So directly on the tummy. The next thing you're going to do is see it's in the locked position at the moment. So red means locked, green means unlocked. So what you want to do is turn the knob until it goes into the green position, and that means the pen is now unlocked. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to press the plunger. So it's the green button at the top is the plunger, so you press the plunger holding your finger, and you'll see that the medication is auto-injecting. And when you hear that second click, that means that the injection is then complete. Then you take away the pen and you can discard that in the garbage bin. Thank you very much.